This product is made with recycled content as part of our ambition to end plastic waste. Lifetime warranty, built to last. Wipe-able material for easy spot cleaning with soap and water. Multiple zippered pockets give you plenty of storage space. Interior sleeve securely stores up to a 15 laptop. 2 mesh side water bottle pockets that fit up to 32 ounces bottles. Top reviews from the United States. Great backpack for school. Bought this backpack for my son. He carries a lot of binders and spirals for school, so he needed a backpack that would have a ton of space but also needed to be good quality so it wouldn't break with everything in it. This bag is perfect. So much space for his school things. Definitely recommend for a middle schooler, high school or college student. The colors are pretty nice too.